Okay, so this is how Marie and I set up a craft activity together. Okay, so here's a craft activity. The first thing we do is we put a list of sequence of how we're going to put the craft together. Okay, we review the sequence and we point to the different parts on the craft activity so they know the names. Then the next thing we do is we have them go and get the name that we want them to do first. So the first one is head, cut head. So they take head, okay, they go through the tunnel. At the end of the tunnel, they either crab walk, sidestep, bear crawl, hop, skip, frog jump, jump on one foot, all that. Then they come over to here and they find head, okay? And they take their head, okay? Then they come over here to the floor and they cut it out in tall, kneel, standing, okay? So they're working on that. After they do that, they come over here and they paste it on their paper, and then they continue to follow the sequence, one right after the other. Each time they go through the tunnel, when they get to the end, they do a different kind of walk to get back over to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing would be antlers. Okay, then they go back, do it again, come back and do ear, come back and do hat, and you can see the hat pieces are right there, and so they have to count out how many they need. It's like for ear, okay, so for head they need 1, antlers they need 2, they have to count them. Ear they need 2, so they have to count them. Hat, there's 3 parts to the hat, 1, 2, 3. Eyes, there are 2 eyes, 1, 2. There's 1 nose, 1 collar, and 4 bells. Okay, and they put that all together, and eventually what they end up having is a finished product that looks very similar to this.
You have to draw some out.
Oh, and then the last thing is then they have to physically draw the mouth with a marker or a crayon. And that's it, and we've incorporated so much with one activity. Bye.